Hello.
Welcome to Startup Alley. This is our, I guess it's sort of a selection.
Alley pitch stage.
I'm John Biggs.
I'm Mike Butcher.
And we have a special small alley pitch stage we've set up. We have five of the companies that we picked almost at random, let's say.
Yep. And it's a great sort of showcase of some of the companies that take a lot of time out and trouble to come to Disrupt and exhibit their stuff.
Sure. So our first company, we have AV, AIVVY.
AV? Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at what they have to offer.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. My name is Hassan Gajali. I'm the co-founder of Ivy. Ivy is a new, smart, and simple way of you enjoying your favorite music. When I say smart and simple, I mean smart with minimal user interaction. Unlike current music experience, where a user have to search for their favorite music, confirm payment, download, and sync, Ivy is ready the minute it's in your hand. It's that simple. IVQ, the world's first IoT smart headphone. Not just any headphone. It contains internal memory where your songs is preloaded and you're ready to enjoy it. When you play the songs and you like it, you tap to bookmark. The simple user interface, tap for favorites, slide forward to skip, backward to repeat, and the dials for your favorite channels and your volume is all it takes. Just like having Pandora in your headphone, but it's much more. Unlike streaming music, where you have to unlock your phone, launch the application, and then worry about internet connections and also battery life. Ivy starts playing the second you put it on. It offers more than 40 hours of battery life, and it caches more than 3,000 songs. The standalone Ivy plays your favorite songs in high quality without draining your phone battery. It is perfect for lean-back music lovers, especially when you're on the go. So what is the secret? The secret is you and IVQ. Right? The more you use IVQ, the more it knows your listening preference. So all these taps, play, skip, and everything, the Ivy will start to learn your music preference. And it will then learn it and upload the cache. When it's up in the cache, it uploads all your preference, and the server will start compiling your music and will compile the new music from 40 million songs and update the cache.
All right,
Okay,
cool.
great.
Perfect.
Thank you very much, Ivy.
Ivy. So that's it's a pair of headphones. It's hardware, which is really cool. Everybody's got great hardware up here now.
Yep. Doesn't drain your battery while you're listening to music.
Yep.
And also, I think the other cool thing about it is you can just leave it on and you can switch channels, change music without having to mess around with wires and stuff to your phone, which is pretty cool.
Here goes Chimani.
Chimani.
Go for it.
Welcome. So my name is Kerry Galvin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Chimani. Chimani is a mobile app company that develops apps that help you better enjoy the outdoors. So we focus on helping you better plan your trips while you're actually in the parks navigating, and helping you better socialize as part of the overall experience. Now, our focus is different in that we currently are focusing on 15 of the top national parks. And really what we're doing is providing a curated amount of content for the app. So we're really kind of taking the concept of guidebook, but putting it in a mobile app, but then really starting to leverage the platform so that we can do innovative things, such as we can use our augmented reality viewer. You can get to more information about the experience. Now the use case is, most people are going to these destinations like the Grand Canyon. They're not buying guidebooks. No one buys guidebooks anymore. And so they're essentially showing up at these places. They have their smartphone. They pull it out, no signal. And so it doesn't work. They fire up their various apps, no connection. That's where we differentiate. All of our apps are standalone. They work without any sort of cell phone connection. But at the same time, it takes place, in many cases, helps you get more information about what you're seeing through the augmented reality viewer. It includes things such as a trip planning tool. So it really is taking the concept of a guidebook and really transforming it and really leveraging the computing power in your pocket. Now, the actual outdoor marketplace is tremendous. There's over 140 million users in the US right now engaged in the outdoor recreational economy on a daily basis. So it's quite tremendous. And so our traction to date is we've focused on the top 15 US national parks. We've got just under 750,000 downloads to date. We have an active user base of 135,000 users. And last year, we had over 75,000 hours spent outside with our users. We're very passionate about getting people outside. So we just finished our first round of funding, and we're launched a new team, and we're excited about growing the company. Now next year is Centennial's anniversary for the National Park Service, so we hope everyone will download our apps, which are all free, and that they can actually get outside and enjoy the park.
Thanks, Chimani. So, what do you think? Do you go out hiking much?
Not recently. I used to go when I was in D.C., in Virginia, where we have a few more forests.
Yeah.
We don't have a lot of forests here, which is problematic.
Tricky. But I like that. I mean, it's obviously crucial. It's got to work offline and have lots of information about wherever you're hiking.
And you personally, you actually went on a very long hike. You took the hobbits to Mordor, right?
I took the hobbits to Mordor. They didn't like it. The ice cream was melting. The kids in the back of the car were just screaming. It was a nightmare.
Quite terrible. All right.
Yes.
Next up, we have I. Is that right? ITEL.
Okay.
Okay, go for it.
Simple enough. Go.
My name is Aid, and I'm the founder of I. I is a mobile and desktop application that adds social context and one connection to all your search results. So essentially what I does, it turns all your search results into one single social profile. That profile includes locations, all your social media across all networks, news around the search result, and free chat, so calls and video calls, messages, things like that. So I works in 3 very simple steps. Search for a business, a place, a service, or one of your contacts. Discover, get to know more about them through their social media, their location and news. And connect, so you can connect with all your search results with free calls, messages and video chats. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you want to know more about ITEL, you can visit us at www.itel.com.
All right, super.
Thank you very much.
Pretty simple.
So basically, it's a sort of an aggregator for search results, brings all your social media together.
Sure.
Very simply named. Goodness me, you're not going to forget that
it's
one.
ITEL.
Yeah.
So that works well.
Awesome.
So it's rare. It's one of the rare service companies that we've seen.
Yes.
A lot of them. We're not doing a lot of software now. It's really interesting.
Totally. Yeah.
All right. Next up, we have Glyphit, glyph-it.com.
Okay.
So, I'm Dan, CEO and co-founder of Glyphit. Glyphit is a mobile app that brings augmented reality into social networking. So, how does it work? You just have to snap a picture, add your message, select the receivers, and after that, when the receivers scan the app, they will see the message popping up on the screen. So, it's a live demo. So, you add the message, you select the receiver, select if it will be geolocated or not. And after that, it's quite magic, the message pop up. So you can think of it like a kind of virtual sticky note, but it's more like a shortcut between the physical world and the internet. So our demo, it's just a use case, but there is a lot of other things we can do with this app. We can share local place, we can create shortcut to website, and you can leave hidden message. For college kids, I think it would be really funny to do this. And moreover, for the business part of this, we see a huge potential in advertising, because I think the dream of every publicist is to connect the real world advertising with the internet. And with our app, you can do this. Think all the ads you see in the subway. You just have to scan it to go to the website. They are linking it, and maybe actually when you think to QR code, they miss something. A QR code isn't social because you have to print it to share content. Here we have the social layer. You just have to scan it, and people will be more engaged in this. So we are a team of 3 young developers. We are French, as you can guess, and we are working on this since last September, and we have really a lot of fun doing this. And so we are launching our Android beta, and the iOS beta will be launched by the end of June. And we are here for the first time in America, and we have a lot of fun being here at TechCrunch Disrupt. So thank you, and if you have questions, you can see our website, glyph-it.com. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Great, sounds great.
This Glyph-it thing, I think they could kill off QR codes if they were
I think so,
clever
and
about
that would be the best thing in the world, to kill off QR codes,
Yeah.
because those things are kind of silly.
Super annoying.
So we've got,
like
I
the
guess
Glyph-it.
we could set up like glyphs just like on your face, and
Yeah,
people could
all
just
over
find
my
you
face.
everywhere.
Yeah,
Everywhere they want.
like a post-it note on my forehead.
All right, so last one is WeMesh. Let's take a look at these guys.
Hello. Hi. My name is Mike, and I'm from Canada, along with my co-founder Saeed, and we're WeMesh. This is WeMesh. WeMesh is the first synchronous multimedia chat client, which means it lets you watch videos together with your friends. Simply put, the top two things to do on mobile devices are watching videos and texting with friends. And increasingly, it's texting links to videos back and forth. So what we did, and here I'll turn it down a bit because I don't want to drown out my own voice, but what we did is we combined those two activities into one, and we built the entire thing on top of a synchronization engine that can take any number of devices on any internet connections and synchronize them to the millisecond. And we did this with the help of 6 great engineers, and this allows you to come together like so, and you can text each other, hello, and you can also VoIP. So I'm talking, and I don't know if the mic's going to pick this up, but we also have a low latency, high quality VoIP engine. So you can chat, you can talk, and at the end of a video, so say I want to end this video, I'm going to scrub to the end because I'm the leader here. It takes you to a voting screen. And so this voting screen allows you to select the next video. So it's not one video. This is a way that people can hang out together on the internet, on their phones, and watch video after video after video. And if they want to find new videos, so here we see someone's actually already voted and someone's just talking, someone from Canada. We have a great content discovery system where we have tabs, and actually right now we're featuring the TechCrunch tab. So it's all of TechCrunch's videos, but we have our videos, new music, comedy, news, tech, sports, and all of these are accessible right from within the app. They're updating every 5 minutes with the newest and best videos. So the idea being that you can come into the app, you can invite your friends, you can actually make a mesh, which is what we call one of these instances, open to the public. You can make it open to people in 10 kilometers around you. You can make it open to just your friends, so you can have any size you want. And it's a social network built around media consumption, because that is far and away the #1 thing people are doing. Much more so than live streaming, much more so than even browsing the net, it's video consumption. And this is something that up until now has been done completely in isolation. So we are on the App Store, we are free. We're coming to Android soon. We're releasing a lot of new exciting updates, including the ability to upload your own content and a lot of new content sources. Right now we have all of YouTube, so it's a lot of great content, and come check us out.
All right, beautiful.
Thank you very much, WeMesh. Well, I'd certainly want to video chat with you, John.
I would love to sit there and we could watch some old Benny Hill
Marvelous.
clips.
Yeah, yeah.
What else can we watch?
Yeah. And I mean, you know, certainly, I mean, you got to see a lot of
we should just watch ourselves.
Kids using this.
We just watch ourselves and just chat about each other.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so there you have it. Those are some of our, I guess, some fan favorites from Startup Alley.
Yep, Startup Alley, pretty packed this week.
We are here live at TechCrunch Disrupt, New York. I'm John Biggs.
And I'm Mike Butcher.
Thanks for watching.